You can really hear that turbo whistling now. Hi guys, Parm at Car Audio and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out in our B9 RS4. Now this car is already equipped with a full airlift performance and it's also got 20-inch rotiform TUFRs on it. It's a great car, don't get me wrong. Super comfortable, it is kind of fast, but there's always room for improvement. So we're going to be installing an Eventuri intake system on this car. It's a full carbon intake. Not only is it going to aesthetically look better, it's going to increase airflow, which in turn will give us a bit more engine noise or intake noise, and we should get more power out of this car as well. Let's see how it sounds with the standard factory intake on it. As you can see, the stock engine bay looks very bland, very ordinary. By the time the Eventuri intake is fitted, this should look a lot more aesthetically pleasing. And don't forget, it's going to deliver more airflow for more power. I'm going to try and get some decibel readings of before and after. Already got a decibel meter app downloaded onto my phone. I don't know how well it's going to work, but you know what? Let's give it a go. If you don't try, you will never know, right? So let's place this here. So it'll be placed in the same position before and after. The car is in dynamic drive mode and I'll try and rev it to the same RPM so that we get a like-for-like comparison. So here goes. So I just revved that to around about 6,000 RPM and we'll do another one after the intake's installed. So yeah. Let's crack on with it. Keep watching. Now each Eventuri intake comes serial numbered as well. So we've just completed the installation of the air intake, and if you come and take a look at it a little bit closer, it looks a lot nicer than the stock one. Who doesn't love a bit of carbon, hey? The intake is a lot bigger than the OEM one, so number one, you're going to get a lot more airflow. The air is going to be a lot denser, and obviously the carbon keeps the air cooler than your conventional air intake would normally do. Well, you should get a bit more power out of it. It's certainly going to be breathing a lot easier as well. Although the car is fast, you know, you can always feel the car being held back by something, and it normally is the restricted airflow into the turbos. So first of all, let's get the dB reading. Hopefully it's a lot louder. So I'm going to put that back exactly where it was before. You can hear a lot more turbo whistle. So yeah, I'm hoping, well, I'm actually confident that the intake noise is going to be a lot better than what it was stock. So let's take this out on another road test and see how it feels now. Wow. Well, it certainly feels like it's breathing a lot better, although only the car will know if it is actually breathing a lot better, but it just feels, whoa, it feels a lot more responsive. Doesn't seem to be any lag on pickup. You can hear that roar, and you can also hear a lot more of the turbo whistle as well. This is fantastic. So, conclusion, why would you want to spend a load of money on an air intake system? From my point of view, number one, aesthetically it looks a lot nicer. Number two, you get an increase in power and it sounds a lot better as well. Oh, you can hear that turn, you can hear that whooshing noise in the background. That's pretty cool. One really good thing I like about Eventuri is the noise that they make is wicked. I've even got one on the G80 M3 and it's that it's that wastegate noise is wicked. Another good install done for today. So all the Eventuri products are available on our tuning store website, so jump on there, take a look. We also do finance packages as well, and we can also fit it for you as well. So if you have any questions, get in touch with us. We'll get you boosting like you should be. If you did like this video and the content, make sure you like, share and subscribe, and there's a lot more coming from us, so stay tuned. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. I'm going to take this car for a pleasurable blast. You can really hear that turbo whistling now. That's sick, man. That is wicked. Eventuri, thank you once again. Brilliant.